everyone, I'm Clarissa. I'm Jelly's older, more petite and awesome sister. Okay, firstly I'd like to take the time to say a big thank you to everyone here. It's such an honour to see Jelly and AJ's close family and friends come together to celebrate their union. AJ, a very warm welcome to the family. I've been calling you my little bro for 13 years. Now it's official. Speaking of little brother, I always wanted a little brother. Someone I could cuddle, baby and boss around. But I got something better. I got Jelly. So like most siblings, our relationship has been filled to the brim with so much sisterly bickering, the most ridiculous arguments, bags not sweeping the floor, and even tears. But for each of these times, there's been an equal, if not more, amount of laughter, silliness, and admiration for one another. As my younger sister, Jelly has consistently told me how it is, you know, like the quote. Sorry. I'm trying to use my two fingers, but I can't, okay. Where am I again? Okay. From pairing my outfit with the wrong shoes to correcting facts, Jelly has always had my best interests at heart whenever she shared her honest opinion. As a result, she has become my source of truth, not just for gangster facts and dog memes, but for reminding me of what's real, what truly matters, and to be honest, how many cups of rice our mum wants us to cook. Unlike my crappy short-term memory though, Jelly's sense of self has never wavered. When she said she wanted to work at Land and Property Information, aka Mum and Dad's work as a 10-year-old, she actually meant it. I once asked her, how did you know you wanted to work at Mum and Dad's work? She simply said, I don't want stress. Classic Jelly, dropping facts, dropping truth. While most kids want to become a doctor or a lawyer, she wanted a job with no stress. How genius. Not only did she manage to capture the essence of what we ultimately want, but 10-year-old Jelly was so sage and frankly smart enough to understand that maybe work sucks, so get one with no stress. And guess what? Jelly got her dream job. Yes, that is something I've always admired about Jelly. She always knew herself, and most importantly, she always knew what she wanted. Which means, AJ, she must have known it would be you sitting beside her tonight. Jelly, you've taught me a lot. I will truly miss our deep and meaningful conversations in the bathroom. And the countless times we cracked up over our own silliness. I love that I can tell you anything and trust you will give me your honest opinion. I love that by being so wise and responsible, you make me want to be better too. Mostly, I do love that among many things, we are both equally lazy, that it's enough to hang out with our dogs watching Netflix on a Saturday morning and let time pass. Saturday mornings won't be the same without you. But don't worry, I will send you pup dates, and I know you'll send me poop dates. It truly warms my heart to see you marry your first love and best friend, AJ. You're both so special to me and have grown to be such fine young adults. From two teenagers sitting on our couch having secret conversations to two established professionals, I am so proud of how your relationship has evolved through the years, and I hope you have a long and happy marriage. I can't wait to see what your future kids think of Jelly's race car driving speeds. Lastly, Jelly, even though you're the one who always corrects my facts, the fact is I love you and you can't correct that. Congratulations, guys. Let's raise our glass. To Mr.
Big round of applause for Clarissa.